Hello everyone. My name is Anil Toyers, and today we are discussing something new and something special, something important, something that can change your life. And it is a new website that it's all about making money online. And in this episode, I'm going to be short and brief. I wouldn't take most of your time. I wouldn't take most of your time. In today's website, we are going to discuss a new website that they call 5 billion sales. In today's website, we are going to discuss a new website that they call 5 billion sales. From the term by 5 billion 5 billion sales, and I was shocked when I heard about this website, and I was thought that is it the website legitimate, or is it maybe it's a scam or something like that. But I can realize after working science, because someone has referred me a friend, and I've discovered that the website was fantastic and fundamentals. Thousands of people are working there, earning a decent amount of money. Even though a little bit policies are a bit different from other websites like Pickworker, Clickworker, and the ClickBanks, plus other micro task jobs website we all know about. Before everything, this website I've discovered that it's just in the recent few days. Before, the website was working only on desktop, and nowadays it is in recent days it have just been working through our mobile phones, either it is Android, Apple, or any other type of mobile phones. And in this episode, I'm gonna show you how to use it using your Android. Because I've chosen Android because I understand that most people nowadays use Android, and so it's very difficult, it's very rare for people or everyone to afford a desktop or a laptop. In this episode, without wasting time, let's go through. First of all, we go to Google Chrome and we type 5 billion sell, 5 billion sell, 5 billion sell, 5 billion sales, 5 billion sell, sign up, the first one here. Yeah, this is the accurate links. Exactly, guys. This is exactly the interface of 5 billion sale website. When you open for the first time, this is how you can see or how it look like. Therefore, without wasting time, you fill out with your details, which include the full names, first name, the last name, the country you are, the address, the zip codes, and all others, plus your mobile phones. When you are finished or when you are done with that, you scroll along the way, you come down to say register using your Facebook account or using your Google. For our case here, I will prefer you using a Google account, since Google email or your Gmail is an official Gmails or emails that you use it across your services or your jobs online. Therefore, without wasting time, you fill this in. After you finish, you come type register through Google. When you are done, For my case, I've already signed in, therefore I will say that log in. Log in with Google. I use my anil at gmail.com. For poor network. Very good, guys. Click here to validate yourself. Guys, I know you don't understand all this term, but with time I will explain everything in detail, and I will explain exactly what we do with 5 billion cells. Okay. When you log in, so you see what they say, welcome making money. How would you like to make money today? Okay, exactly, guys. This is the services offering here. We sell data. This our main objective here is to sell data. And how do we intend to do that, guys? Just simply, before everything, you need to install these extensions in your mobile phones, and the extensions is and the app is Kiwi. When you install Kiwi in your mobile phone, after you install it, you activate. After activations, therefore it will work automatically with you, and therefore you will go to Kiwi browser. In case anything you browse, you will be paid per day. And you can withdraw at the end of it, at the end of the sessions, or at the end of the contracts. Since the 5 billion sales have set its targets and contracts, payment method is they have 3 payment methods, and don't worry about that one, because after this we will all go along and understand it one by one. But before everything, let's validate it. You click here, sell your data. The data revelations, they say validate. A little bit due to network. Okay, here in validation, attention, loan for business. Okay, click on 2 of advert to prove you are not a robot. Okay, therefore I decide to click this one. Introducing to this site. Therefore I will go back there again and click another one. Let me click this one. Okay, you have validated your data. They say success. You have validated your data and your income has been updated. Okay, you say view. Guys, this is exactly what we are talking about. Just simple and easy. This is what I was been doing for the last few days. In fact, I've never wasted my time. In fact, in this website, we don't waste a lot of energy or doing any other tasks rather than doing your own business. In case you do research on Facebook, on YouTube, or in Google Chrome, or in Google itself, or any other social media, all data have been paid here. Just compare whereby you browse or you do online sell or online learnings every day with your bundles, and you pay nothing. But with this app you are able to earn some credit. Imagine at the end of it, on 25th of August, you are going to be paid this amount of money, which is 400 USD dollar, which is not huge money, but it's amazing income, which is not small money. Imagine you are being paid just 1.10 or 1.1 USD every single day, just for browsing, and for validating you will be paid 0.50 or 0.5 dollar every day. Calculate it. At the end of the month you are earning a decent amount of money in this website. Guys, this is all about how to make money on 5 billion sales. And not only that, there are other options or other activities that you can do and earn other extra income or extraordinary hundreds or thousands of dollars in the same within this website. In fact, to be honest, there are three tasks uh, that people are working or people are doing and earns a decent amount of money. Wow! So what you can do, first of all, you can install this one. As I told you before, you install the browser in your Android phones. After you finish, you set it up, you validate it, and you open the dashboard, and you start earning automatically. This is all about it. These are the instructions you can follow and God understand. They are very short, very simple and easy. Therefore, uh, let's go to the second part of it, and how do we earn or how do we get money from this one. For example, this is now my $5 or my $4 that I've been here for. My $4, they say that the total scene is 26th of April. I've managed and earned $4.40, which I've did nothing, absolutely nothing. I've never wasted a single time of my activities therefore to do something here, apart from my browsings or doing my other businesses there, and my money is flowing. This is the good things of this website. Okay, they say check and approve your earning. We check and approve the earning. view accept payment. This is the process. You say view and accept payment. Very good. Here we go, and we are done. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope the video was important to you, and I hope it is amazing. You got something from it. And if you don't get or you don't understand something, you may leave a message, or you leave a message in the comment sections. And if you don't understand how to download or how to install these programs, I will leave the link in the description below, whereby you can follow the process and the procedure of how to register for free, or how to refer someone. In our next episode, we are going to discuss more on, or we are going to talk on other part of it, which is how to manage the wallet or view the wallet, or how you can withdraw your money. There are three ways: either through banking, through PayPal's online banking, or through KIC. These are the three methods. With all of this, I'm going to say thank you very much. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do so, and put the thumb icons. Okay. Do subscriptions, and see you in the next video. Thank you.